Hi everyone, if you want to buy HDMI cables, it's always better to get the best quality, especially if you're gonna purchase cables that are longer than 1.5 meters. Also, I wanted to add that it's better to get a cable that can support 8K at least at 60 Hz, so for the cable to be future-proof, because cables that are long are not cheap. So here you see I have my video switcher and I have my screens, and the video switcher output is 4K and my screens are 32-inch 4K, and I need good HDMI cables to connect the video switchers to my screen. So I contacted my friends at Silkland and they sent me this 6 meters or 20 feet HDMI cable that can support bandwidths up to 48 gigabits per second. It is HDMI 2.1 compatible and it has gold-plated ends. So I'm gonna connect my video switchers to my screens here and we're gonna see how they will perform. I want to show you why I need cables that are long. So here I have these cables that are not sufficiently long because look how they are now tied behind my printer, and I need cables that are longer. So let me show you the cable up close. It comes in this nice bag and you have a leaflet of instructions, and the cable itself is braided, but it is at the same time manual. Let me show you also the end of the cable, how it is gold plated. And it is really a very good quality cable. So let me install the first one now. So now the cables are installed and the quality is top notch as I was expecting. Let me show you how they are installed on the video switcher and how I rerouted them. So here they are on the video switcher and I rerouted them from here behind the printer, and now they can go on the floor behind the printer, and here I don't have any cables dangling anymore, and this is a very nice setup for me. If you want to check out the Silkland HDMI 48 gigabits per second 2.1 cables, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.